this desk is up 1 and I'm currently at 0. Guys, I'm literally on the floor because I think that's how the desk is supposed to be. But I just peeped that these are the holes, so I guess you're supposed to drill the screws into the hole. I literally don't know how to use the drill that I have. I'm gonna go watch YouTube because we gotta fix this today. We literally have to fix this today. Oh my god, I think I even lost one of the things. How to use my drill. So I got the bit in there, that's what they said. The holder, then I got the bit that matched the screw. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Thank you for YouTube. Thank you for videos like this. Shout outs to them. What are they called? I don't even know. Next generation. Thank you guys, cause girl. Wait, guys, we have 3 more holes, but yo, girl, we done did it. We did it, Joe. Guys, so I took a break and I went to the food truck. The desk is done. I'm going to move it out and figure where I'm gonna put it, so I'll show you all that in a minute. But I was recording, so I had to do what I have to do in the midst of it. Is supposed to be like my main desk for filming and stuff. And guys, as I said, I tried it right there. It did not look right. It did not look right. It was just like a little bit big, but I'm still playing with it. This is not my finished filming room. The desk itself though is nice. It's like a statement, which I love. I have to get my real chair. I keep saying that, but I really have to get my real chair because that's a mess. But I'm gonna order my chair. I'm trying to get a rug because my the bedrooms in my apartment is carpeted. I have to get something that will still show up on the carpet. So I'm working on that, trying to decide.